Hi there, my name is Paul Colgrove, and today I will be demonstrating the ColWeld collaborative welding robot by Cobot Automation. So with most collaborative robot software, you have about, just to create a simple weld requires about 7 different steps. And we have condensed all of that into a single programming node, which makes your program much more compact, and it also hides a lot of those steps from the operator to make it much easier to program. All that you need is to define your weld points, your start point and your end point, and also your weld parameters. And so we'll show you how to do that now. On top of the torch here we have a free drive mode, or a free drive button, and that enables us to move the robot. And then we move down to the start point of our weld. We then click on our add point button and we press OK. We then move to the second point and we add the point. Having done that, we then select the particular weld size that we're interested in. So we're going to do a steel flat fillet weld. Having done that, we then select the size. And in this case, we've got a 4mm fillet weld. One thing I forgot to mention was the offset. And this is important. So if we come down here, you can see that before you actually go to that first point, it offsets the torch by a particular distance to avoid collisions. And you have the option of selecting either 25, 50, 100 or 200mm. In most cases, 100mm is sufficient. One final thing is that we can also select the weave. And for this weld, we won't be using weave, but you do have the option of selecting either 3 or a 4mm circular weave. And this is useful if you're going to weld aluminium or anything that has a bit of a gap. Having defined these 2 points, we are now in a position to simulate the weld. And this is actually simulating at the actual weld speed. Having done that, we now select it in weld mode, and we can then proceed to do our weld.